Hey there, mobile gamers. Welcome back to the channel. If you love gaming and want the best tips, tricks, and secrets to boost your gameplay, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Today, I have something truly exciting for you, an incredibly simple method to get unlimited diamonds with Litmatch Hack without any complicated steps, no rooting, no jailbreaking, and no computer needed. Let's dive in. Before we start, you'll need to grab your user ID. This is essential to ensure the method works smoothly. Not sure where to find it? No worries. Just open Litmatch, go to your profile, and locate your unique user ID. It's usually a mix of numbers and letters. Copy it down, and you're all set for the next step. Now, open your preferred browser and head over to this special site. Once you're on the home page, use the search bar to find Litmatch Hack. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the Hack tool. You'll see a simple form where you need to enter some basic information. Choose your platform, iOS or Android. Enter the user ID you copied earlier and click the Connect button. Give it a few seconds to sync with the game servers. This step is fully secure, and your account remains protected throughout the process. Now, for the exciting part. Once your account is linked, you can choose the amount of diamonds you want. Select your desired amount and hit Generate. The tool will now start processing your request. It may take a minute or two, so be patient while it works its magic. To keep things running smoothly and prevent bots from abusing the system, a quick verification step is required. This usually involves a simple task, like installing a free app or completing a short survey. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be done in no time. If you need help, there's a tutorial available on the website. I've already completed this process, so I won't be doing it again here. But trust me, it's super easy and worth the effort. Once verification is complete, head back to Litmatch and check your balance. Your diamonds should be there instantly. Now you can enjoy the game without worrying about running out of resources. That's it, guys. A super simple and effective way to boost your gameplay. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or need assistance. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more awesome gaming tips and hacks. Thanks for watching and happy gaming. See you in the next video.